Let's consider the visualization of calculation results in the ParaView program. The main elements in ParaView are the Render View window, where the visualization results will be displayed, the System Elements panel, the Time Management panel, the Displayed Area Control panel, the Quick Access panel to filters, the Object Properties panel, and the Pipeline Browser window, which shows a list of objects that can be manipulated. In the Pipeline Browser, all calculation results are stored in the object cavity.foam. To make the results of the OpenFOAM calculation appear, you need to click the green Apply button. After this, the computational domain of the problem under consideration will appear in the Render View window. You can move and rotate the domain in Render View using the mouse. The computational mesh structure can be viewed by changing the object's display method in the representation menu to surface with edges. To switch from the three-dimensional representation of the object to a two-dimensional one, you need to configure the camera orientation and change the projection method from 3D perspective to 2D parallel. Usually, the surface method is used as the display method for the computational domain when visualizing the results of two-dimensional calculations. Next to the representation menu is the coloring drop-down menu, where you can select the method of color visualization. We will select color visualization by the vorticity field, which was calculated as part of post-processing the results. Working with Properties settings, all fields available for visualization are displayed in Properties. Note that to work with the full set of settings in Properties, you should activate additional options by clicking the gear button Toggle Advanced Properties at the top of the Properties panel. The color scheme setting in Properties is done in the Coloring section. Here you can set the limit values for the color scheme and choose the color scheme itself. By default, ParaView has a wide range of popular color schemes. To display isosurfaces or isolines of scalar fields, you need to use the contour filter. We will use it to visualize the stream function. For a planar flow, you first need to create a cross-section using the slice filter. When creating a planar slice, it is important to correctly choose the direction of the normal to its surface. Here it is parallel to the z-axis. The contour is built for the slice object. In Properties, you need to select the data on which the isolines will be based and set their values. You can configure the display parameters of the isolines, such as color and thickness. In ParaView, you can configure the Render View background using the Background section in Properties. You need to uncheck the Settings option and select the background color. In the Pipeline Browser, next to each object, there is an eye-shaped icon that controls the visibility of the object in Render View. Thus, the final image in Render View is formed using objects and their display settings. In order for the computational domain boundary to be displayed in addition to the streamlines, you need to select the cavity.foam object, change its color visualization method to solid color, and the display method to the outline boundaries. You need to adjust the line thickness and their color. Then, activate the object's visibility in Render View. In Properties, you can configure the display of the color legend. You can choose its orientation, font color, format for numbers, font size. And in the Render View window, you can set its position.